I think the market and analysts and everybody seem to have given a very mature response to the VINOD thing.
Money has left India. First of all, I can't imagine that the money that leaves India desperately wants to come back.
Government hails the mature response from markets to SEBI tightening the P-note rules. Veteran investor Sameer Arora backs the changes but says P-notes are rarely sold to a third party.
The state which I thought will take 4 years to convert from 15,000 crore loss to profit. Now, today was talking of 3 years, and at the end of today's meeting has said we'll see if we can do it in 2 years.
Rajasthan Power Distribution Company could turn a profit in 2 years, says Power Minister Piyush Goyal. Offers an olive branch to Tamil Nadu, says the state will benefit the most from the Uday scheme. Promises to add 13,000 megawatts via solar projects this year.
This year is a period of accelerating the pace. This is a year of consolidation. This is also a year of taking some of these critical structural measures.
Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu promises to push the pedal, says railways will spend more than budget estimates, expects 10 stations to be redeveloped this year, also believes that Cabinet will take a call on creating a holding company in a few months.
Apple CEO Tim Cook called on the top boss of the country's largest telecom operator, BHARTI AIRTEL, in New Delhi. Also checks into the food ordering app Zomato's office in the national capital.
Should be in place in another fortnight, maximum 3 weeks' time. And I have been saying that by about 15th of June, we would have the roadmap ready. It's a question of being rolled out after that.
An intermediate mechanism to deal with bad loans will be in place by the 15th of June, says Chief of the Bank Board Bureau, VINOD. Pricing and commercial decisions of individual banks will be kept out of this mechanism.
Good service, qualitative service. The self-regulation part, Mr. Gupta, I don't understand very much.
We are willing and we are eager to self-regulate ourselves on stricter norms than what the norm may be prescribed legally.
Industry is eager to improve services through self-regulation, says Bharti Infratel's Akhil Gupta. What is self-regulation, asked the Telecom Minister, though.
The cigarette business remains steady as ITC delivers in the fourth quarter. Agri-business posts robust growth. The company announces a bonus of 1 share for every 2 ITC shares. Piramal Enterprises is all set to tie up with private equity giant TPG Capital to set up a $1 billion stressed asset fund. That's an exclusive. Even as Vedanta plots a mega merger, Kane India's top boss Mayank Ashar quits the company. He's the 3rd CEO to leave after Anil Agarwal brought Kane India's business. Nearly 50,000 employees of 5 associate banks of State Bank of India go on a day-long nationwide strike to protest the proposed merger with their parent bank. Also staged a protest at Azad Maidan in Mumbai. On the show, we get you a ground report. Stalling a Supreme Court order, the centre approves an ordinance to defer the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test or NEET for a year. Students across the country cheer.